today is Sunday. And every Sunday, nag-order kami ng food. This is... We decided to buy... Oh.
Why is it?
Why it's like this?
Why is it small or something? Oh, I know this kind of fries.
Apat, guys. Oh. So, yummy yan. And yung kanyang mga sauce. Ay! Ketchup ito, guys. Apat na ano. And then, apat din na rice.
Downed rice? What is downed rice?
Nag-order ako ng extra para charon! Extra piece of chicken. And
What's that?
yung binibili namin na, yung in-order namin na McDo, guys, is yung 8 pieces na siya. Combo ng 8 pieces of chicken, 4 rice, and 2 BFF fries na dapat malalaking fries ito. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang chicken. 8 pieces yan, guys. And another pack of Coke siya, guys. Oh, ang malaki ng lagayan ng McCafe. Siguro,
Look, it can stand.
siguro guys, wala na silang lagayan ng Coke, kaya dyan na lang nila inilagay. Oh, that's not big. And then, can I have plate? Bili mo ka extra. Oh, era.
Oh, that's mine? Thank you. Huh? Saan yung sauce?
Yun oh, ketchup yan mo yan para sa fries. Oh, Mark, this is yours.
No, I did not know that was fries. I need ketchup. See? I want sauce. Here.
This is ketchup. You want ketchup for your fries?
Yes.
Oh, take this.
Oh,
Walang healthy charge. Itatagong ko muna mga to kasi uunahin na naman nila ito, guys.
Mike, you can just make it stand.
Jordan mo.
I want that. Us. 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 Us.
Thanks, Dad. Every Sunday nga pala, guys, is pinag-o-order kami ng food sa labas ng aking asawa. Ang pinipili lagi namin is yung McDonald's. Tignan nyo. Ang lalaki ng kanilang chicken piece. So kapag kumain kami ngayong gabi, tigi isa-isa lang nila yung kanilang nauubos. And then kinaumagahan is uulamin nila ng lunch yung kanilang leftover. And i-air fryer ko na lang dyan para crispy pa rin siya, guys. This is my foodings. Kain tayo!